It is Friday, the 21st of May, and that can mean only one thing for amazing Jubilee children. It is singing assembly. Yeah! Okay, I'm so excited about singing assembly this week. Lots of reasons. First reason is I'm back in my wonderful music room, everybody, with all of the paintings of my favourite musical instruments. We're recording it this week, children, because let's face it, the last couple of weeks it's gone a little bit wrong. But it definitely won't go wrong this week, will it, camera person?
No.
Absolutely not. We're going to have the best at-home singing assembly ever, okay? And the first thing we're going to do, as ever, is get warmed up. Let's get our breathing right and focused, ready for singing. So you can stand up, or you can sit up straight in a chair. I'm going to breathe in, hold for 4, and let it out really controlled. Are you ready, everybody? Breathing in. And out. Wow, I already feel a little bit more focused, but I think I need 2 more goes. Let's go. Here we go. In. Definitely need 1 more go. Let's go. In for 4. And out. Feeling more focused, camera person?
Yes.
I bet you are at home too. Fantastic. Let's do a quick give me 5 warm up. Are you ready? My turn, your turn. Call and response. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Not bad. I reckon you could do it much better than that. Are you ready, everybody at home? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your turn.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Brilliant. I bet you stopped singing just as I caught the note as well then. Let's do it one more time. Going down this time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your turn.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What a low last note. Okay, let's get straight away into our first song. The Big Ship Sails. Don't forget, grab somebody if you can in your house. See if you can do the Ali, Ali, oh. Ali, Ali, oh. Come on, camera person, let's get straight into it. One of my favourite songs from Jubilee ever. The Big Ship Sails. The big ship sails on the Ali, Ali, oh. The Ali, Ali, oh. The Ali, Ali, oh. The big ship sails on the Ali, Ali, oh. On the last day of September. Ali, Ali, oh. Ali, Ali, oh. Ali, 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 oh. Oh, oh. Ali, Ali, oh. Ali, Ali, oh. Ali, 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 oh. Oh, oh. Did you do the actions? Second verse, here we go.
The big ship sank to the bottom of the sea, the bottom of the sea, the bottom of the sea. The big ship sank to the bottom of the sea on the last day of September.
Chorus!
Ali, Ali, oh, Ali, Ali, oh, Ali, 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 oh, oh, oh. Ali, Ali, oh, Ali, Ali, oh, Ali, 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 oh, oh, oh.
Don't forget this verse about the captain. Here we go.
The captain said it will never ever do, never ever do, never ever do. The captain said it will never never do on the last day of September. Ali, Ali, oh, Ali, Ali, oh, Ali, 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 oh, oh, oh. Ali, Ali, oh, Ali, Ali, oh, Ali, 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 oh, oh, oh.
Last verse, everybody.
We all dip our heads in the deep blue sea, the deep blue sea, the deep blue sea. We all dip our heads in the deep blue sea on the last day of
Last chance to do the chorus.
Ali, Ali, oh, Ali, Ali, oh, Ali, 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 oh, oh, oh. Ali, Ali, oh, Ali, Ali, oh, Ali, 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 oh.
what? I think you sung that so beautifully at home. We are going to go straight into our next song this week, which is Try Your Best. Here we go. If you can remember the actions, do them. Here we go. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. When you're in a spin, think you're struggling,
Nothing's going your way.
just remember that,
Life needs working at, and you'll get there one day.
nice and bright everybody.
Run your fastest, jump up high, reach up to the
Here's the chorus. 2, 3, 4.
Work your hardest, the prize is there for you, so try your best. Work your hardest, you'll be a winner too.
Try your best, work your hardest.
Make your dreams come true.
Your best, the only best that you can do. Don't forget the do's. Second verse, here we go.
Tired of coming last, can't run very fast, lots of things in your way. Taking part is what counts for such a lot, know you'll get there one day. Throw your furthest, lift up high, it's easy when you try. Try your best, work your hardest,
The prize is there for you, so try your best, work your hardest. You'll be a winner too.
Try your best, work your hardest, make your dreams come true.
Your best, the only best that you can do. 2 more times.
That's the only best that you can do. Your best's the only best that you can do.
Beautiful, everybody. Let's go straight into a third song. Let's really sing lots this afternoon. Are you ready for Let's Go Fly a Kite? Sitting up nice and straight, remember? A beautiful sound.
With
Tuppence for paper and strings. You can have your own set of wings.
With your feet on the ground, you're a bird in flight. With your
Fist holding tight
to the string of your kite. Oh, 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 let's go fly a kite up to the highest height. Let's go fly a kite and send it soaring up through the atmosphere,
up where the air is clear. Oh, let's go fly a kite. Let's go fly a
kite up to the highest height. Let's go fly a kite and send it soaring
up through the atmosphere, up where the air is clear. Oh, let's go fly a kite. Best bit of the song.
when you send
It flying up there, all at once you're lighter than air.
You can dance with the breeze over houses and trees with your fist holding tight to the string of your kite. Oh, 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 let's go fly a kite up to the highest height. Let's go fly a kite and send it soaring up through the atmosphere,
Up where the air is clear. Oh, let's go
fly a kite.
Oh, I'm sure you can give yourselves a big round of applause for beautiful singing at home. Yeah! You know what? I love that song so much. I'm going to have it on in the background whilst I do this week's birthdays. Happy birthday to Cleo in Chestnut class, Kai in Willow class, Wilder in Elm class, Clover in Walnut class, Grace in Ash class, Rudy C in Rowan class, Khadija in Elm class, Mina in Beech class, Eunice in Pine class, Shanisa in Hazel class, Ibeck in Beech class, Luca in Elm class, Arthur in Birch class, Charlie Clark in Beech class. It's all of your birthdays this week. And Matthew in Walnut class, Sam in Walnut class, Lanika in Oak class, Agatha in Walnut class, Brandon in Oak, Dominique in Chestnut, Musa in Pear, Kareem in Aspen, Rowan in Pear class, Ilwan in Beech class, Lucy in Oak class, Amandine in Rowan class, sorry, couldn't read my own handwriting there, Adam in Pine class, and lastly, Nevea, it is your birthday, either this week, last week, or half term coming up, okay? Right, we are going to do one more song this afternoon, and you know what? It's a brand new song. Put your hand up if you love things that come from the Caribbean. Oh look, a thumbs up from the camera person as well. Yeah, this song we're going to do this afternoon is from the Caribbean, and it's a really, really fun song. It's perfect for all of this beautiful weather that we're having at the moment. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to play you the song with the lyrics. I'm going to sing along. And one of the best things about recording Sing Assembly like this is, I bet you can guess what I'm going to say, you can rewind it and sing it again, and rewind it and sing it again, or if you want to, replay it all from the start to the finish the next day. So you are going to teach yourselves this song this week. This song is called Cushai Mary. Can you say it?
Cushai Mary.
I'm so excited. And you know what? There's a part in this song where you have to come up with your own dance moves. And I want to think that you are all dancing beautifully to this at home. And if you want to send in a little video of yourself singing and even dancing, myself and the camera person would love that, wouldn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Are you ready for Cushai Mary?
Yeah.
Let's go, guys. Cushai Mary. Here we go. See if you can learn it, guys. Ready for next week. Here we go. I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Cushai Mary, I want stone a stone.
Me no walla walla, me no sala sala, me no jump over rolling pengaleng. Pass rock stone pengaleng, pass rock stone pengaleng.
Me go riverside and me see trouble stone, and me trouble stone. Not a what is by me soul.
Pengaleng,
Lord, a what is by me soul. Pengaleng, me say me trouble stone. Pengaleng, pass rock stone. Pengaleng, pass rock stone. Pengaleng, pass rock stone.
One more time.
Pengaleng, pass rock stone. Pengaleng.
Back to the start.
Cushai Mary, I want stone a stone. Me no walla walla, me no sala sala, me no jump over rolling pengaleng. Pass rock stone pengaleng, pass rock stone pengaleng. Me go riverside and me see trouble stone, and me trouble stone. Lord, I want it from me soul. Pengaleng, Lord, I want it from me soul. Pengaleng, me say me trouble stone. Pengaleng, pass rock stone. Pengaleng, pass rock stone. Pengaleng.
You ready to do some dancing? Here we go.
Pass rock stone.
This is the dance bit, everybody. What's your best move? Do your best move now. Oh yeah. Keep dancing.
Pass rock stone, pengaleng, me say fi pass rock stone, pengaleng, me say fi pass rock stone.
Here we go, one more time at the first.
Pass rock stone.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Cushai Mary, I want stone a stone. Me no walla walla, me no
sala, salami, no jump over, rolling, pengaling. Pass rock stone, pengaling. Pass rock stone, pengaling. We go riverside and we see trouble stone, and we trouble stone. Lord, I want it from me soul. Pengaling, Lord, I want it from me soul. Pengaling, we send me trouble stone. Pengaling. Oh, round of applause! Absolutely amazing. I'm sure you all did a great job of that song. That's our last song of Singing Assembly this week, everybody. Camera person, can we just get this in quickly? I just want to remind everybody, if you want to join the music room, and that means you will be involved in lots of special competitions, you'll be able to upload your own music. There are prizes, everybody. Yes, you heard me right. Prizes for when we get back to school. There's online music games. Send an email. Get one of your lovely adults at home to send an email to this address and ask to join the music room. It is great fun. Okay, I've had a brilliant singing assembly. I will see you same time next week, everybody. Yeah, I'm going to do one in half term. I've just decided I love it so much. I'll send you one next Friday as well. Okay? Say bye-bye, camera person.
Bye.
See you next week.
Bye.